My hand over here. Okay, it says for live. Keep my hand over here to keep Mystery from getting out until we're ready to get started. So we're just going to pause for a minute or two. I want to make sure this is going to you guys live, and that you're able to hear us because we had some problems last week. Okay. All right, guys. Well, welcome to this week's Mystery Monday. I'm Toby, and I'm here from the Youth Services team at the South Charleston Public Library, and I'm here with Mystery, our frog. He's hiding over here kind of at the corner of the enclosure. So what I'm going to do is, just like last week, I'm going to feed him, and hopefully we can get him on camera eating for you guys. But in order to do that, I need this to come in to focus. So I've got some crickets here. I don't know if you can see them down in the bowl, but I'm gonna knock them out into this little white bowl here, and I could just put them into the enclosure and then he would find them, but we're hoping that if I put them here, you'll be able to see him eat, if he does not jump away this week like he did last week. Oop, come on, buddy. All right, there you go. Come on. I'm gonna put my hand here to you. All right. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see. If you look in the little bowl here, you can see him. And then there are the crickets. Okay. Well, while we're waiting on him to maybe eat something, or maybe try to jump away, I'm going to try to keep an eye out. I'll tell you a little bit about what's going on this week here at the library. So this week, starting last Wednesday, you can pick up the craft kits for this week here at the library. And so our at the front desk, except for if you didn't get your teen kit yet for this past week, you need to, or for this week, you need to come back to the youth services area to grab it. And then also, starting on Tuesday at 5:30, we have our Zoom program for Family Fun Fest for school age. Then on Wednesday, you can pick up your craft kits for next week, starting Wednesday morning. And then on Wednesday evening at 4:30, we have our Teen Talk Live with our for our teenagers, for our teen program. And then on Thursday at 11 o'clock, you can join us on Zoom for our literacy and learning program for our youngest readers. So just make sure that you guys don't miss anything. Follow us on Facebook or YouTube. Hey, just jump that way. Follow us on Facebook or on YouTube to get a better idea of what's coming up. Make sure you keep a track of our events. And then if you are, don't you do it. I think he's trying to get out, so I'm going to block his way here. Yeah, doing that. So on Facebook or on YouTube, try for this week. Make sure you guys are following us. So while I'm watching the frog, I'm going to go ahead and share a little story with you guys. So here at the library, we have this book called From Tadpole to Frog. And you can borrow it in the board book section of the library. But I'm going to read it to you. And then I have some little, animal figurines to show you guys as we go through this. A frog. And this is how Mystery came to be. Also, this one's about aquatic frogs, not tree frogs. But it's a similar thing, so we'll just kind of talk about it. As a frog goes through many changes in its life cycle, let's learn more about the transformation. A mother and father frog lay thousands of eggs, and their eggs look like this. You see this little like jelly kind of thing? That's what frog eggs will look like in a pond. Okay. A frog hatches from the egg, but does not look like a frog yet. It is a tadpole. The tadpole lives underwater and uses its gills to breathe. So tadpoles, when they're very, very little, they'll have these kind of frilly things around their head. But they kind of just look like little black fish. Its long tail helps it to swim. The tadpole eats small plants and algae, and it grows and grows. Soon, tiny legs start to sprout. So if you've ever raised tadpoles before, you'll notice that they still keep their tail, but then they start getting legs. And the tadpole's tail begins to shrink, so its tail gets shorter. The tadpole grows arms and starts to turn into a young frog called a froglet. These are what froglets look like, and they're the stage kind of between tadpole and frog. This froglet is almost ready to leave the water. Its tail is just a tiny stump and its gills have disappeared. Here, the metamorphosis is complete. The tadpole has turned into a small but fully developed frog. Instead of gills, the frog now has lungs. You see here, this is our little figurine of a frog, and he's hiding really good. But down in the bottom corner here, there's Mystery. And Mystery is actually not quite he's a full-grown frog, but he's not full-grown yet. So even though he's all the way an adult frog, he still has a lot of growing left to do because he was just a tadpole about 4 months ago. The frog swims in the pond. Frogs are amphibians. They live both on land and in water. And Mystery here is a tree frog. And so what they do is while they still might lay their eggs in water containers or ponds, usually they find somewhere high up in a tree where water has collected to lay their eggs. After 2 years of growing, the frog is finally an adult. It eats insects, slugs, and worms. The frog hops away. So we've got about a year and a half before Mystery is a full-grown adult frog. So, hope you guys enjoyed our Mystery Monday today. Remember to follow us on Facebook and on YouTube to make sure that you're abreast of all the programs we have coming up. And then on our next make sure that you attend our Family Fun Fest on Thursday if you're a school-age reader, our teen program on Wednesday if you're a teenage reader, or our literacy and learning on Thursday if you are if you're one of our early readers. Otherwise, we hope you guys have a great week. If you miss our programs live, remember you can always watch them on our YouTube afterwards. We post the links on Facebook. Mystery here is attempting to get out. Whoop. Dude. But we will see you guys next time. All right.